This is how you're going to transfer crypto from CX.bio or IO to Binance. First, you're going to log into your Binance account, and then you're going to navigate to the deposit section right here at the top right of your screen. From there, you're going to scroll down to the I have crypto assets section, and then you're going to click on deposit crypto. Now, from the deposit crypto section, you're just going to select a specific cryptocurrency such as BTC or ETH and note the deposit address and network. So for this one, I'm going to just select a coin. For example, I want USDT. I'm going to select a network such as Ethereum. Now from there, we're going to have to copy this deposit address of our Binance account. Now we're going to head over to CX.io account, and then we're going to go to the withdrawal section for the same cryptocurrency. So I'm going to head over to products. I'm going to click on wallet, and then from the wallet section, we're going to click on withdraw. Now, I'm just going to wait for this page to load, and then you will be able to see your withdraw right here at the top right corner of your screen. You're just gonna have to click on that, and then this is where we are going to enter the Binance deposit address. So I'm just going to wait for that, and then we're going to select the payment method that we want. And then for this one, if you have OG or whatever, so for example, we chose what did we choose? Let me just check once again. USDT. We're going to search for USDT right here. And then right here, you will be able to see this Tether. And then from there, we're going to just select a destination. So for example, we want to transfer this to a cryptocurrency address that we got from the Binance section. We're going to enter the address right here, and then we can enter the nickname. So Shell. So just make sure that the address that you copied is correct. So make sure that you double check, triple check it, and then or else you won't be able to receive it in the right network. And that's it. All you have to do is to add this address and then send the amount that you want to send. And that is how you're going to transfer crypto from CX.io to Binance. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.